Meaning of impenitent.
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 Impenitent. The word impenitent refers to someone who is unrepentant or unapologetic about their actions or behavior, often in the context of having committed a wrongdoing. Such individuals exhibit a lack of remorse or regret for their actions, and may even display a sense of defiance or disregard towards any consequences that result from their behavior. This can be seen as a negative trait, as it implies a lack of humility and a refusal to take responsibility for one's actions. Impenitence can lead to strained relationships, social isolation, and potential legal consequences in extreme cases.